Hey everyone, for those of you who follow my business Facebook page, you'll see that I share a lot of content about real estate and related topics. I recently posted an article about 3 decorating apps: Who's, Havenly, and Planner 5D. Havenly's app caught my attention because I recently redecorated my home office. Havenly is quite simple to use. Just log on and the app will guide you through several steps to help you make some design selections. For example, the first screen will ask you how much do you know about design. Then you're prompted to pick which room you'd like to update and which room decor you find appealing. The app makes an estimate about what design type you like based on answers you provided. My style was Scandinavian. Makes sense given that I had just redesigned my home office with IKEA furniture. Ultimately, the app brings you to a screen where you can choose from a number of designers to collaborate with you online. Havenly and its designer can even help with selecting and ordering items. Havenly has several pricing options to choose from, with the lowest being around $19. This might be a good place to start for your next home design project. Thank you, and if you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends. Thank you, have a great day.